Hi, my name is Katherine Holman, and welcome back to my second drawing tutorial for all things Tudor Queens and Consorts. You just need a pencil, an eraser, a pen, and a piece of paper. Creating this sketch of a royal coronation crown reminded me of the layers of a cake. You will see that my pencil and eraser are my friend. As I go, I'm continuing to find the shapes and how they fit together. You can find examples of crowns online to copy and just have fun. If anything, this video is meant to show you how I start to make my drawings. I want to reassure you that it's okay to sketch and it's okay to make little mistakes. And sometimes those mistakes contribute to a really cute drawing. So just keep practicing and sketching and remember to have fun. So now it's time to take your ink pen and go over the outline of the pencil lines that you want to keep for your final drawing. So this next drawing is going to be an antique or medieval style key, and it's a little bit simpler than the one we just did of the crown. We have some different shapes that are fitting together more symmetrically, and you can kind of see how I piece all the elements together a little bit more quickly than we did with the crown. Okay, time to get our ink pen out again. And one of the things I wanted to point out quickly is that sometimes I use little tiny dotted lines instead of a hard line, and that is meant to indicate a softer edge in an ink drawing. So if you want to show sort of an indentation but not a firm differentiating line, you might add some dotted lines in. Now these two circles are holes in the key, but this area right here is more textured, so I've added some dotted lines to indicate that. So our last drawing of the day is a wild strawberry, and this is an example of a drawing you might find in a book of hours. In fact, there are a few wild strawberries you can find in Anne Boleyn's book of hours. And as you know from the last video, I love drawing flowers from that book. So this is really simple. There's a circle shape, some jagged leaves, a stem, and bumps to make it look like a textured strawberry. Now that the ink is dry, it's time to use our eraser to get rid of those pencil lines and have a finished drawing. Thank you so much for watching the second drawing tutorial for all things Tudor Queens and Consorts. You can find me on Instagram at Catherine Holman, or you can find me at my shop, catherineholman.etsy.com. And don't forget, Natalie has a PDF of these drawings on her website. So if you didn't feel like drawing them, or you just want to download the PDF and use the artwork for something fun like stickers, stationery, note cards, feel free. You can find it at onthetudortrail.com.